Good morning, sheep fans. Cammy's the name, sheep is the game. Although we're back on the beef job, I've actually been for a hectic morning, a stressful morning, getting cows and calves in. Not just that one cow, mastitis, she would not come in. We've got her in now, she's in the shed because the calf has still got a stiff leg. Lizzie had the vet while I was away. We did it 5 days, Sinulux, no better. Bit of Metacam in there as well. Had it in, Alan Vets had a look at it in the crush and proper look. Maybe something in the foot, but we can't see anything. Doesn't think it's joint ill, but we're going to continue with Sinulux for another 5, 6, 7 days and just keep going till we try and see if something pops out or it gets better. Heifer, good heifer calf. It's in good fettle, the calf, but yeah, let's go see it. Okay, just for anyone that missed the last time we tagged a calf, same again, shout out JM Anderson, that's where we got all our tags from. So this is for your tissue sample. Take a BVD tissue sample with this tag, just takes a little bit of skin, puts it in there, you send it away. Our last calf of the year, whiskey without an E, because only proper whiskey is spelt that way. Whiskey with an E is not proper whiskey. Controversial. We'll leave that just now till I've got my sample, set my pliers up. If anyone missed it, the calves all have to have the name starting with W this year. So we have Whiskey, we have Wilson, we have Wednesday, and we have Winston. Yeah, forgot about Winston. How could I forget that? A lot of people thought. We can't call it Jock. Has to have a W.
In how many years' time? 4.
Yeah, we will. We'll have a calf called Jock someday.
What's your lamb called? Is it? And what's its name? No. Right. Joel, what's your lamb called? And how old is it? No, how old is it?
10 weeks.
Yay!
10 weeks, well done. Jock's ready for his first stock judging. Right, we'll go and tag this lamb. This is where it's tricky with the kids, like, is just teaching them to stay out from the cows and calves, but also I need Lizzie to give me a hand to do the job, so. Here's my dry heifer. No, she's not a dry heifer, she's a dry cow that threw the calf earlier on, but she's looking well. Amazing how to put the flesh back on. There's young Winston there. There's Winston's mum having a wee scratch of her bum. Here is Wilson, our big bull calf. A little bit of school there actually, I was going to ask Ian about that. Well, that's to worry. It looks quite wet school the way it doesn't look.
Sorry, now,
yeah, but I feel like the shine's off him a bit. Like I just feel like he's not quite. We'll ask about that. Yeah, I don't know if calves need wormed or not. Right, let's tag this and I'll ask Ian.
the oldest now.
I was going to chase these cows out and just leave the calf. The safest way of doing it.
You think she'll have you if you try it?
Well, it's not worth risking it, is it? Shh, 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 shh. Come on, lass. She's quite canny, her anyway, I think. Shh, shh, shh. Shh, 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 shh. They can turn quite quick though. Shh, shh, shh. Yeah. That would work fine too.
Sometimes the other ones come for you.
Nah, I don't think so. Okay. One tag at a time, yeah. What ear's ear? Right ear for this tag. Left ear for the pink tag. Right ear for this. Yeah. She watches this out. Right, lass, what one goes? This wee button goes on the inside here. No, that's right. I'm just working out what goes where. Goes in the back. Right, like that. Just like that. Happy enough?
Yeah, that's fine.
Looks good there. Good job, right, that's the BBD one. Then this one goes. No, I want that name, as long as I get the whiskey name at the front. Which is, means I need to tag him.
Turn around then, go against that wall.
No, I'll tag him that way. You got the camera, Mum? Okay, whiskey goes in here. Make sure it's the same rib I get, right enough. Yeah, second rib up in there.
There we go. He's fine.
Easy as, easy as. There we go. Just like that. You okay, lass? All the tagging done for the year, you'll be glad to hear. We'll put them back out to grass now. We've got an emergency. This happened before. We've had another water leak in the slats and it's built up and up. I've just had to squeeze into Lizzie's wellies. One thing about being with a Amazonian woman, you can squeeze into her wellies. It's built up and up and now it's just teeming out here. We've got the slurry tanker borrowed from next door and then we're going to try and pump this out and put it in the silage fields at the back here. I'm going to put an extra couple of boards on this, so see if that helps. A bit more pressure. Look at this. Look at this. My foot is... oh no, my other foot, I can feel it now. Look at this. Two massive holes in these wellies. I don't own any wellies because I've no ligaments in my ankle, so I can't wear them usually. Oh. My feet are soaking. To press them down with the loader. It has slowed it a wee bit I think, but let's just get the stuff pumped out. My feet are absolutely swimming in slurry. Oh, it's a rough operation. No, but I don't know, I've literally just been explained. Jim the neighbours gave me a loan of his tanker, it's just been explained to me how to work it. So this is going to be an adventure. I've no mics on, this is all last minute. So I just need to shout to you guys. Start the PTO up. Oh, now I'm going to get this tractor stinking of slurry. Oh, I should really come in here for this. So low revs, I want quite low revs. Quite low revs. But I thought this was a PTO, but that's maybe just to stop the PTO, is it? Is this the actual... Does this actually start it? No, that puts it into gear. $540 I think, and then if I just turn this, you need to do both these at the same time. Turn it. Just press and hold this to get it going. How do I get it going? Okay, that didn't work. It was jamming on something there, I think. Let's get a proper look at what's happening here. angle I'm at. We'll try again, Maybe get a wee touch more revs. Slightly more revs. Aye, it's full anyway, I think, the tank, so that's fine. I'll do that next time.
Right, and if that doesn't work, you can also start the VTO from the wings when you're into the back of the tractor, remember?
Aye, but I don't need to be in the seat to press that button.
No, if you press and hold that one for, I think it's 15 seconds, it'll start the VTO when you're into the back.
Aye, perfect. I did see those buttons. I thought they were maybe just emergency stops, but no, that's far easier for this job. Good man, Neil, that'll do it. I'll go the new. I'll let you ken how I got on. Cheers, mate.
Any borders, flip the back. Cheers.
Good man. Good service. Sorted. Right. That should be shut off now. That's fair soaked a bit with it. Put it in the score again. Like that. Get this off. Okay. Okay, let's see what happens. You coming a run? Young love, couple of lovebirds. Anything you'd like to tell the people, Lizzie?
No news this year.
No, nothing like that. No kids. No more kids. No more kids. No more. Oh. Right, this gate. I need to work on this gate for Lizzie. Right. That's a fair weight there. Drop it into the low box, I think. Dropped it into the low box. Pull this back. Low box. Right. I actually have sprayed slurry for gym before. I've probably sprayed slurry with this tanker. When I worked here as a boy, I think I asked Jim how old this tanker is. When I worked here as a boy, I would have sprayed slurry with this because I remember emptying those slats with it, and also the dung spreader as well. I sprayed dung with it. So if we put us up, we're in the low box. We'll stay in the low box. Now, here we go, you hold this, Lizzie, I'll watch the road. I mean, it's just water really, that's the good thing. And we've jumped ahead now. By the way, this is our Highland Show special hoodie. Lizzie, just show me the back of that quickly there, please. I've been wearing it for a few days. It'll be dirty. Yeah, it'll be dirty.
Stay still, you know. Stay still.
See, it's a Highland cow. You know, it's a Highland cow. It's a royal. No, it's a royal Highland cow. It's got a crown on it. Actually, that's the idea. Is that Mark? That'd be Mark. So, Mark's here. Are you weighing yourself?
Don't do them though.
How? There you go, step on it. Don't mind it, it might catch you. Is it on manual catch? Manual catch, go on you go.
I see, I knew you were what I can. Oh, 22 kilo, Christ.
Right, off you get.
Oh, off it now to sea. No, right, you're not off it, that's what's wrong. Ah, there we go.
Oh, 107 on fuck. Animal.
107, I don't know if you saw that, 107. What is that company used to be?
Machine.
Aye, just muscle in it. Muscle. Okay, side deck and doors for the U's, high one burden. Click extra for the U's here. These are getting shown in August, click extra. Rykeman for the lambs, for the first doors, Nemeted Iris. They're also getting a coxie drench. For the first doors, they're getting tailed, they're getting smart shot, they get a numbing jag, they get a cavexin. Lots to do. We're probably one member of staff short today, but we'll just work away. There's like 3 mobs to do, they're not huge. We'll just work away. This is the lambs here. We get absolutely wiped out with coxie last year, and I can see dirty. I sign a coxie, not always guaranteed coxie, can I just say, so always speak to your vet and do dung samples. But a good sign of coxie is, and there's quite a few, see how many flies are about as well. These don't have click on them yet, so this is absolutely essential today. It's a real dark scour, so like that's getting a darker scour there. Wet, really wet and runny scour, like water coming out of them. Tar, I think you describe it as looking like a tarry type of skitter. It's a real bad sign of the coxie, and you know, real ill thrift, major ill thrift as part of the problem too. So they're getting a coxie drench, a Rykeman drench. Run out of tags, so we're not tagging them today. Smart shot, yeah, I think I've said everything. You've got a side deck in, you've got a tail crutch round, and click extra. Lambs get click extra at the end as well. Tail and irons heating up. We'll just battle through, we'll just jump through a few clips, we won't bore you with it. And then we'll go into the next job.
Where will we decide, in the front or the back of the boys?
Back, right in the middle at the back. Aye. It's not a race, it gives Lizzie time to do her jobs anyway.
No race?
Nah, well, like, we'll be slow today because we've got this, but it'll work out good timing with Lizzie, I think.
Aye.
How was I going to mark the...
Sorry?
You don't have a can of coloured spray now? I could spray the weather lambs. Enough now. Let's spray them all. Well, you always think about your worst fear, don't you?
You mocking me, boy?
Damn.
Hope you enjoyed this one, sheep fans. I'll be at the Highland Show for the next 4 days, buzzing to see a load of you there. We'll have this orange one, we'll have the Highland Show special, the beef game, new Fed by Farmers hoodies, all sorts of stuff will be there. Come and see us. We've put loads of effort into it over the last few days, and we're looking forward to seeing you there. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you for the next one. What's my tractor stuff like, man? Honestly, I couldn't even start a PTO.